Guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about bullets and lists. Bullets and lists help enhance readability, and the purpose of them is to break up content for easier digestion and improved readability. The best practices for bullets and lists is to use bullets and lists to organize information, making it easier for users to quickly find what they're looking for, because everybody skims. And so if you give them a quick bulleted options, or if you just give them an entire list, then it's easier for them to consume. And also, bulleted items and lists are what actually ends up in that featured snippet section, or now that AI section inside of Google. And so the easiest example of this, of something that we've been doing all along, is to find the example of lists that can be pulled into Google. So here we see how to care for blonde hair, and you see this right here. This got pulled, and that is right here. This right here is exactly all the purple is what got pulled out of Google. And it just shows you how much Google loves lists. So if you can kind of take all of your blog posts and just kind of come up with some sort of bulleted items or lists that can kind of help people consume and scan a little bit faster, it doesn't only just make it user-friendly, but also Google might just pick that up for a featured snippet as well. And that's it for chapter 3. Next, we're going into chapter 4, which is talking all about images, alt text, and video. So I will see you there.